Paragliding is just 20 or 30 feet higher than that.
야, 저도 타야 뭐 잠시 그때 보셔인 타세요. 뭐 무슨 험마 타.
คนนั้นต้องช้าหรือช้าไทยเหรอ
지금 그때 보셔인 타 정도.
ถึงถึงจะฟังเอา
Baby, careful ha. Ano ka siya, papi, oh. Ang hirap nito umakit mamaya.
This is a test.
Tsunami? Oh, it's just a test.
Yeah, tsunami is coming. Run!
Lover with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you.
Hi, mga kachupapis. We are going to the Babe, where we going?
The Sky Bridge? No, it's not. It's not Sky
Deceptions Bridge. Share mo. Pupunta kami sa bridge kasi mga kachupapay, gagala kami ng kapatid ng aking asawa.
Bridge.
Ay, ganda naman ng bebe laba. What's that?
No.
Dinosaur?
Yeah.
So, punta kami mga kachupapi, nag-almusal na rin kami, kumain na rin kami bago kami umalis.
Right.
Para hindi kami magutom mamaya. Naantay lang namin kasi nag-rent sa ng van kasi marami kami. Para isang car na lang ang gamit namin. And, yung buntis doon, galaw ng galaw. Wala nang pahinga. So, ito lang yung ano namin. Malamig ngayon, hindi mag-aaraw ngayon dahil dito sa Washington, puro ulap.
Oh, I'm gonna wash your milk.
So, halika na. Antay lang namin yung van na nirent. Kayo? Come here. Kayo?
Kayo, Auntie Winnie call you. Kayo.
Kayo? Hi to the vlog. Dali.
Go. Hi. Say hi to the video.
Naboboring na siya, Day. So, lalaroin muna namin tong batang to. Ano daw? Kayo gonna stay
So
home.
you stay home.
So, we're waiting for there.
Yeah, we'll wait for Joe to bring the van. Please driving.
See the driver? There?
Sabi ko mag-drive ka, kakaya naman.
I didn't know that you're allowed to park there on the side.
Gusto mo kasi hindi nakaharap sa bahay. May bahay.
So, ayun yung sasakyan ng kapatid niya. Kaya lang. Naantay pa namin yung van. Caillou! Going home. In your mom's house. Caillou. Parang uulan pa. Umuulan na nga. So, gagala na naman kami. Pagkakataon na namin ito mga kachupapi habang nandito kami. Gagala muna kami. Kasi, minsan lang kami pumunta rito. Ilang taon din bago pumunta. Kaya, minsan lang naman sa isang taon. Minsan lang sa 3 taon pala. Mga kachupapi. Kaya, let's go! Nantay pa namin yung van. Auntie? Kayo, who's this? Auntie?
No.
Winnie. We? Okay, you live here. You stay here. Say we? Me. Di ba napilitan? Sit here. Come here, we're gonna talk. Sit here. We're gonna talk. Here. Here's the van.
Auntie?
Okay, let's go home.
There. Where's Auntie there? Where's the Auntie there? Where's Auntie there?
Auntie there.
There. There. There. Look. You wanna ride that? You wanna go there?
Baby, there is here.
She's here?
You know. Get the for kayo.
I'll tell Boa to do it.
Let's go in! Let's go! 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 You're so excited.
I don't know. Something happened.
Let me see if I can open it.
Oh, it's remote.
I think we're gonna probably put him. You want to put him in the back? Maybe in those chỉ là đời rồi.
Yeah,
Come
maybe
on,
at
what?
the front. We'll put him on one of the front rows. Maybe in the middle, huh? What do you think?
Yeah, maybe see if you can fit in.
Yeah, middle.
There's easier to hold
Nick is not going.
No, it's okay. He's probably going out to eat.
Lalayas
Mabigat.
So, we're going na.
Parang katulad ng mama ko yung laging ano. Laging ready.
Nah. Is there a seat in the back? No. Yeah, they're in the bathroom.
That's what they need.
Yan, lagi ko narinig sa bahay namin. Oo.
Uwak. Di ba uwak tawag natin dyan?
Oo.
Roll. Marami dito eh.
I'm just gonna sit on the back.
You really telling me? You hold him.
Ha?
There's no seat in the back? Then don't bring the car seat. Patingin na see.
There's enough room. There's gonna be three people in the back.
Yep.
One person in the front. We got room.
Why are you gonna drive?
I don't think so. I think so. Yep. I think we're
Không
going
sao mà chiêu vô. Cái lấy tôi có nhiều cái giọt đây.
Wait.
Can go. I'm gonna go first.
You sit all the way in the corner.
Why
Yeah, and I'll give you my phone, ha? Later, ha?
Oh, okay. This is it right here.
You should just put the car seat in the back.
Oh, that's okay.
It's fine.
Go ahead.
The stroller in the back way?
Yeah, I think that's it.
Yay! We're here!
Good button. Okay. Cái bộ sạc của drive này là có sạc drive này.
Okay, let's go!
Oh, there's still there, huh?
How to close it? Just pull
Just push the lever one time.
Yeah, one time, just pull it. Pull.
That way. Pull. Just, no, not pull, but push. Push this way. Yeah.
You said pull, I keep pulling.
For me, it looked like a pull.
There you go. Let's go.
You guys milk and everything? Yeah, it's in the bag. It's been a while since we had a like a family road trip. That was nice.
I wish Dad was better.
Oh, there.
We're here na, Kachupapi. Ang ganda.
Ang ganda nung ano.
Tara, let's go.
Baba na kayo dyan.
Come on, we're not going yet.
Pretty. Take a picture.
Yeah.
Really pretty right here. You can see the beach.
Ay, kayo. Wow. So beautiful.
Oh, you can walk from there. You can walk there.
Go there. We can't go down there. You
Baby.
gotta drive it. We can go across the bridge and go down.
Yeah, let's go across the bridge. Do we need to get Caillou's stroller? Because we're going to go across the bridge. Then get Caillou's stroller.
Yeah, I'm gonna get his phone.
Wait, I'll get his bag. Hold him.
Phone? You gonna leave your phone here?
No.
Grab your phone. Then.
Kayo? Oh, come here. Baby, hold it, Kayo. Oh my God, ang ganda, mga kachupapi. Nakikita niyo yan? Yan yung bridge, oh.
Ano yan? May dagat? Ilog.
Lake lang yata to.
Lake? Ang ano no?
Nasa taas kami. What about the car?
First and stay here.
Are you sure?
Yeah, there's people parking right there too.
Okay.
There's no sign saying no parking.
Ganda.
Ang ganda.
Ang ganda.
Ang ganda.
Let's go on the bridge.
Hey, what? Ủa dạ. Cũng mà nhớ rõ em đi, rồi nếu sao tao này hụt cũng mà là tao này thì chỉ mau walk all the way back. You sure it's a long walk back? Okay.
It's not that long.
Like a half a mile.
I think we'll be alright. We can manage half a mile.
We have all day.
How about the Bumilka Trail, Daniel? On the vision.
You got away.
You know? That one.
You
that
got a
one's
bigger.
Like, yeah, that one's like 7 miles.
When did you guys go on that trip?
It's like a walking trail. In Utah.
Where is it at?
It's right near Lake Michigan.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you can walk right over the lake.
Nice.
But that's no big deal. It's more than that.
Ang ganda. Ah. Ang ganda. Ruby is so scary. Wow, scared? Hello, baby, I'm scared.
It's okay. It can hold cars. Cars are
Hola! It's
Cars are-
shaking!
cars are heavier than us. Go.
Baby, it's shaking it! Ah!
We call it the Sky Bridge.
I'll hold on to you. Don't worry. I'll hold on to you.
Okay then.
I'll be nearby.
Naglalakad kayo ka Papi.
Bye.
scary. Tingnan, baby, your mom is not scared. Baby, how come your mom is not scared? Ay, ang ganda kayo, papi.
Don't look down.
Kasi papi, hindi ako nakakatingin sa taas, sa baba, pero nakatingin ako sa malayo para hindi tayo ang ganda niya kasi papi. Dahil kinakabahan ako. Pero maganda siya kasi papi. Ayoko nang tumingin. Yan siya oh. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. Baby, I cannot believe we're here.
You have baby, you have baby too. Except you're my baby.
Oh, if they have a sky, what's it called?
We're off.
Oh, finally. Makakaganto na yung kamay ko kasi kanina naninigas. Sobrang takot. May another ano na naman oh. Another bridge na naman.
It's okay. Temporary relief. Now we're going back.
Ay, ay, ay.
It's once in a
Maganda siya kasi happy.
100th wonder of the world.
Nakakatuwa kasi na meron kaming time mag-enjoy yung mga ganito. Diba? After hard working, diba? Mararamdaman mo yung hard work mo na may ganitong mangyayari. Alam mo yun, mga katsapati.
Yes, we're going down here.
Right. Ganda. Are they going down?
Go, go, go. Me, Ruby, stay up here.
Tingnan mo, ano ka
At the
dun?
bottom of the bridge, get more closer view.
Oh yeah, there's a people there too. Oh.
You guys stay here. You need to go this way.
Okay.
Thinking.
Yeah, go. Baba.
No, you don't. You should go. You're vlogging.
Go! Tingnan mo doon kung anong meron. Makakita mo
Nag-stay nga ako ng
It's a
asawa ko.
workout though.
Why?
Coming out.
Titignan daw muna nila.
Oh.
It's a workout.
Mama mo. Your mom is not scared.
No.
She's brave. She's paragliding, no problem.
Wow. Todo vlog siya.
Let's go to
Kaya is not scared? Kaya, you're not scared?
He's gonna be scared when you see it.
No?
There's coming back already.
They're coming back.
Not much to look at.
At least they don't have a tree, so that way is good view.
Kaya sabi ko, siya
What's down there?
babalik mag-isa kung para sa sakyan.
Yeah.
Oh, it doesn't go any harder now. Did you talk coffee, huh?
Baka daw mahulog siya.
There's nothing there?
I don't know. I guess people want to go sit down there and eat lunch or something. Hold on to
Ah.
your hands tight.
Another bridge again.
Okay, you can do it.
Ah. Mama niya walang takot to. Wow, ang ganda. Look at that. There's a guy there.
He's like, no.
He's like, hit those thing holes.
He's like,
Takot siya. He's scared. He's scared. Mom! Tell to your mom, don't put the phone so. Because there's a car coming up.
pretty.
Scary.
It's scary, but it's really pretty though.
Paragliding is just 20 or 30 feet higher than that.
Caillou. He says yes, he does like it.
You wanna go down? You wanna walk?
The phone is not scared. Hello, baby, the phone is going on there.
Huh?
The phone down there. Pacho, papi, may mga tao dun sa baba. Oh. Do you wanna go there? Downstairs? I think that one is better to take a picture there.
I don't know where we're going, but maybe.
Take a smile.
Where's the body of water that connects to the ocean?
Nakabahan na ako. Oh. Yung nanay niya talagang lakas ng loob. Ang lakas. Bilib ako sa nanay niya. Takot na takot na ako. Siya ano pa rin, no? Video pa rin siya ng video. Finally. Tapos na kami. Finally. We're done. Yeah. Let's go bathroom muna mga chapa. Tingnan mo yung mga halaman, yung mga puno. Oh. Grabe, oh. Lalaki, no?
No, but it's just a small lake. But we can actually.
Where? Where are
We
we?
live in a peninsula.
This is where we're at, the little bridge. The where we're looking at is just a small lake in here.
This is the peninsula.
Yeah, this is where we're at. If right, we can
The
all.
peninsula over here. Ocean is over here on the left.
It's called Deception Pass.
And then the water comes into between these valleys. And we live right here.
Ah.
We live right there by
There's
Jelly
a lot of
Island.
lakes.
Wait, where's Caillou?
Oh, there is already there.
Oh, okay.
We live right there.
You guys
You see
ready?
the water right there.
You guys ready? Let's go. Surrounded by a lot of water. And those are
We're
just
going there.
going down to the beach.
Okay.
Yeah, more.
Yeah, ma. What's that mean?
Say, Mom, let's go.
Yeah, ma.
So that we go first.
Alam mo, mangha ako sa nanay niya, hindi natatakot. Kahit
Yeah,
matanda
means
na.
Mom, and more means let's go.
Maybe your mom, I was amazed to your mom even though it's old. He's not scared.
I don't know. She's been through a lot of things.
Is that why he's not scared?
She's lived through a lot of things in her life. She's 68 years old, so she's been through a lot.
Yeah, exactly. My mom, it's very high blood every time she's going to the high mountain like this or bridge like that.
But see, imagine you experience all of this now already. You know, 40 years later in the future, it won't phase you as much.
Yeah.
So, just when you start doing more things, it will affect your things.
Ano? Number Sa pababa kami. Oh my God! Pinasan na yung bata.
Oh, thank you God.
Yeah, I meet you there.
Okay. Ang ganda ng daanan dito.
Ginigday tuhod ko dahil.
Yung buntis, ayan na. Oy, ayan, yung kabuuan ng kanyang ano. Hala.
Let's take our time. Oh, mom's still.
No, you no, don't carry him. You
How are we gonna walk?
She's
break the wheel. It's not made for off-road.
Let's put it down. I gotta walk. Gonna walk kayo?
He's too slow. He's gonna trip and fall.
Kayo, just roll over kayo.
roll down.
Roll over.
Oh my God.
First for
Oh,
everybody
just hold on to my phone, okay? Can you hold on to this? Let me. What? Oh, it's fine. Yeah. I'll just take the cover layer.
What's that?
이거 몇 동아? 이거 할까? 몇 동아? Fingerprint doesn't match.
I got some too.
저 안에
Like
때
a leg.
까도 니들 지야네. 더 갑자기 오늘 지피네. 따와.
Cũng nè kia thay trên nên gió nữa nè. Cái phụ hơi gió.
Game, mawa ka mabuti. Baka gumulong ka dyan.
까도 니들 지피. They have alarm on her phone. The fingerprint don't match. Yeah, that's why it's doing. I thought it was emergency alert.
Oh, Ruby have emergency alert. Did you receive emergency alert?
No. Usually, if there's something happening, there's
Baby,
always
scary
emergency
naman
alert.
ang daanan, no. Scary yung
Oh
ano
my God.
road.
I'm scared. Going like that.
Tingnan mo yung nanay niya, oh. May video pa rin siya, oh. Matibay. Matibay ang nanay niya. Walang takot to. Matibay ang pinagdaanan nito.
Mẹ mình cứ xanh thế này cũ quá rồi.
야, 고, 니 떠이, 니 떠이면 난 이거 피어.
Giờ mình mặc tài nữa.
이렇게 차이네. 그 쉐입을 차야 차이니 피어.
Pababa kasi yung ano namin, no, kachupapi. Pababa yung daanan. Ayan, no. Kaya nakakatakot. Mahirap to umakyat, be. Be, mahirap. It's very hard to go up. There.
Be fine.
Ô, là tôi nhóc phân đá hạt đê sao?
Yeah, probably lay on the side from the brake. It's on e-brake there. There's an e-brake.
Nhưng chị tôi sáng gà cơ.
Imagine in there.
Naka-e-brake na yung e-bike.
There's nothing there.
Em chỉ có ngăn van được mà tại em này rồi.
So, iwan namin yung stroller ni Kayo. Kayo!
야, 저도 타야 뭐 짠지 그 대포 센터 돼요. 뭐 무슨 거 맡아?
건너는 차리 차 타이라.
chỉ có 대포 센터 trong đó thôi.
Be careful, ha? Kasi you're carrying Kayo. Baby, scary. Ano ka siya, papi, oh. Ang hirap nito umakyat mamaya. Ano ba to? Ano? Nag-ano ba tayo? Hiking ba to, be? Nag-hiking yata kami, day. Tingnan niya yan, oh. Grabe, ang taas, oh. Ang lalaki rin ng mga po. Nanay niya.
This is a test.
Tsunami? Oh, it's just a test.
Yeah, tsunami's coming. Run!
Take cover. Oh, this is not a tsunami area. This is a smaller.
I'll watch one.
Smaller here. Usually if you're near the ocean, then it's a much higher risk.
Chị thử lòng chèo mà chính theo thiên gạt tàu hết rồi.
Yeah.
Chị thử lòng chính theo mà gạt tàu. Sai cho nên mà mua chính theo cơ hộ. Để cho mà chị mua theo.
Để chúng nó mỏ nè.
Để cho nên mà gọi là thời của dùng này thứ của dùng này trong nó này chỉ mới từ mới chính thời lại. Bây giờ thử lòng mà xưa.
Baby. Ang ganda, no? Meron kaming oras mag-hangout dito sa nature. Diba? Sama mga family. Ang taas ng puno.
What's that? What's that, Carl? What's that? We're not in the middle of nowhere. The track is in. Our track is deep out here. I'm deep in.
Trail. I see a trail.
Okay, now I think we can walk.
Some more shortcut. More shortcut.
Let's go.
No, it's okay.
Go.
Go with Abby.
Let's go.
Go with Abby.
Có con ma nè.
Oh my god.
He's energetic and he's
Now he's walking.
You alright?
That's a house.
It's a small little house for lunch. You could eat lunch when it's hot. Or maybe when it's raining. They have cover. Cái chuyện một sao cái chuyện mua cái chuyện gì đây?
Yeah, the pasta.
Yeah, we let's go first.
Tall tree here.
More trees.
There you
got
go.
trees.
We're
But the
here.
trees in Yosemite is even bigger than this. I see in the picture. It's so big. It's
Gethsemane.
so, yeah. In California, it's so big the cars can go through it. They cut the tree open like that, and then the road it goes inside.
Really?
Yeah, that's how big it is.
This one is big too.
Yeah, this is small compared to the redwoods.
With the tree going up too.
Ice cream. Wow, it's
It's so big. Do you think how tall is it?
we do, but
Banana. So cool, banana. Remember you were up there?
Now we're here at the bridge.
There's a lot of bears up there too. So, the conquering will be there. All the bears, they eat there. Oh, a bear?
It's very difficult to get up, so you need to get a car later. Nandito na kami, mga kachipapi. Kanina nandun lang kami, oh. Ngayon nandito na sa ilalim. Hey?
Your shoes good?
Yeah.
人家去导游。I'm trying to. Yeah, that's the perfect spot. It's not quite a beach, but kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah, I tell you.
No.
Not a rock, huh?
No, it's high ruby.
Find it coolest one.
Bị nó nung đỏ này nè.
No, it's coke, no, it's heavy.
Yeah. Wow.
He just pick up rocks. He's like, look, it's awesome.
Ang ganda dito.
I love the light breeze. I love it. It's not too breezy at all.
So, enjoyin muna namin to.
River. It used to
Nag-enjoy
be
muna
like
kami.
so fun.
I don't remember
I
anything.
remember those were the best times.
I remember some memories, but I don't remember.
You want a shower? Kaya want a shower. Kaya want to take a bath.
Look at that, babe. Somebody stacked some stones.
Yeah, that's there.
Was
There
her?
did that.
She did that?
Yeah. Your mom is still vlogging.
She likes to do silent vlog. That's her channel, silent vlog. Show
Silent
you.
vlog.
Yeah, silent vlog. Vlog with no commentary. No commentary included. You just want peaceful vlog? There you go. You got that channel. Silent vlog, no commentary included.
Ayun na, full na.
See that? Roaming is turn off international.
Ay. Nakakatawa yung mga kasama ko dito. Ay, ang ganda. Thank you, Lord. Hindi umulan masyado. At maganda pa rin yung weather. Yeah, kay mother-in-law. Marami nang pinagdaanan yan. Kaya kahit sa mga bridge, hindi takot yan. Ako takot. Ewan ko bakit. Parang nalulula ako. Hindi naman ako umiinom ng kape. Sabi, anong connect ng kape? Malinis yata yung tubig eh. Nasida ano? Oy! Mabato. Mabato siya. Masakit sa paa. Buti na lang kasi patos kami. Kayu's playing, no? Ang ganda. Diba? Thank you, Lord. Kaya na lang ka talaga. Sa best lang kami siguro makakapunta rito. What are you gonna do?
I think that rock is too big. Well, I almost skipped one time.
You need like a
Oh!
find a really big one.
Oh! Pa-souvenir? Pa-souvenir daw.
Here,
Be, take some.
and you just draw happy face on it.
Yeah, you can.
And souvenir.
That was cool. That was better.
Yeah, that one too.
They're like marble.
That's one okay too. Get something like this for souvenir. Oh, natutuwa na yung bata, oh. Mamaya maliligo na yan dyan. Mamaya maligo na yan. Wala nang awat dyan. Sabi sa akin ni Paper, oh. Ay, ang galing naman. Sabi sa akin ni Paper, oh. Sabi ko, bakit hindi na nalulula mama mo? Sabi niya, madami na ito pinagdaanan. Sira ang ulo na yung anak. Sumasama ko.
Ako, babe.
Parang patatas. Oh, parang patatas, no? Ang cute. Paper, wala magawa, oh. What are you doing?
There we go, bounce once.
Ay, ay, ay. Oh, star?
I'm gonna go and I'll be.
Baby?
How far can you throw?
Ginagaya ka ng ano mo, pamangkin mo. Lakas ang mga ama sa mga to, mga kasama ko. Parang nakamariwana eh. Wait!
You can make it down.
Ayan na, nagsasalita na yung mama mo.
Not too much, yeah, can you?
Uy, masyado kang masaya.
Hmm?
Masyado kang masaya.
What's that?
You're very happy. Ano siya? My sounds. My sounds. Yung mama nila, oh. Todo vlog talaga siya. Baby, you should go with Boa. Boa is scared to the bridge. You should go with Boa. Boa is scared to the bridge.
Why?
To get the car.
You said that?
Ruby was telling me. He's scared.
Oh, he's fine. He's not scared. I can go with him
Yeah, here you go.
when everybody's ready.
Walang kalat, no? Puro, ano? Wala siyang kalat. Hindi siya malumot.
Hindi may nakalutang kanin. Sabi ni Boa, lumot ata yan. Ma, nakikita
Ha?
ko yung
Parang ano?
ahas.
Parang ahas, be. Be, parang ahas.
Hindi ko magalaw dati. Oo, kanya.
Ano yun? Tignan yung mga kachupapi, ha?
Mag-chinelas ka, tapos puntahan mo.
Parang kokak, parang palaka.
Baby, parang ano nga. Bye! Yung mga nakalutang, oh.
What's that?
Parang malaking lumot. Ano yun? Feeling ko malaking ano, lumot na mahaba. Alam mo yun?
Oh.
Seaweed, sabi mo. Seaweed na mahaba. Yeah, nakikita ko meron nga dito, oh.
Yeah.
Maybe a few minutes. A few more. Enjoy the glory of earth. He's like, and then he throw it, and then it's right there. Diamond. It's clear, it's pure.
Can you go over here?
No
I'll go over
pollution.
there. I wanna sit.
Up here,
Kausapin ko lang ang asawa ko.
everything is
What do you say to Vola?
everything is perfect. The water is clear, it's pure,
When you get to where?
like crystal and diamond. That's what I feel.
When you
It's
get to
not a
heaven?
myth.
When you get to heaven?
Yes, it's real. It's not a myth. Even the rocks there are beautiful. It's not like the rocks here. The rocks here are dead. There's dead trees here too. There, nothing is there. All is alive.
Oh, you wanna sit? Where are you gonna sit?
Oh, you know what? That log looks good. Actually, this log looks good too.
Upo muna kami rito. Magpahinga muna kami.
Did you keep the rock I give you?
Yeah.
I think that one is nice. That one's almost perfect like an egg.
The Golden Bridge is in San Francisco, right?
Yes. This is just called the Deception Pass.
Oh, mga kachupapi, nandito pala kami sa
The Golden Gate
Deception
Bridge
Pass.
is in California.
Deception Pass?
Yeah, Deception Pass.
Maganda siya. Kasi para siyang, ano, tignan mo, kachupapi, oh. Meron siyang hill dito sa ano.
It's kind
Kaya
of cool
parang-
that they built a bridge between the two hills. You
Yeah,
see?
because the hills is very, ano eh, very near.
Yeah.
It's not so far.
Cool.
But if they put some zip line, tago. Ayun na, yung zip line, papunta gano'n, papunta gano'n.
down to the beach.
Maganda sana kung may zip line, no, kachupapi.
Remember when before we first ride the zip line, I feel like it's so scary.
Yeah,
But once you start to experience it, then it's fun.
yeah.
But they have some that I see on YouTube. It's really super scary.
Mm-hmm.
It's very high up in the mountains. But some people, they still like to ride it. Remember we ride those pods that going up very high too? It seems like it's fun when you look down, when you're looking from the ground, but when you're up there, it's scary. Right? Because they have glass all over, so you look down your feet, you can see too. It was scary. When we went to Singapore,
Yeah.
did you remember
Who's
that one?
that?
What? That guy?
Mhm.
I don't know. They're probably just,
Maybe he's living here.
no, they're probably geologists. They're probably studying like rocks or something. Because otherwise, why would they?
Maybe how we're gonna go up is very high. Can go up.
If you guys don't want to go up, then you guys can wait in the parking lot and we'll go get the car.
Huh?
I said, if you guys don't want to go up, you guys can wait in the parking lot and we'll just go get the car.
Oh, I don't mind. We go. I don't mind going.
Because we need, get your thought. You don't want to go up?
Whose water is that?
Nasty!
That's gross.
Just to wash his hands,
Ah,
not for drinking. Because his hands are dirty. He's been having too much fun.
Okay. Okay.
mag-enjoy muna kami dito.